Okay, now see this particular question. In this question, first look at the diagram. We have two circular parts. One is a sector OARB and another is a sector OASB. Okay, with one angle 2 by 3 pi, another angle is 5 by 6 pi, one radius 2.5, another 2.24. Now here the diagram shows the cross section RASB of the body of an aircraft. The cross section consists of a sector OARB of a circle of radius 2.5 with the center O and a sector PASB of another circle of radius 2.24 with the center P and a quadrilateral OAPB. A quadrilateral OAPB. OAPB. Okay, we can see this quadrilateral OAPB with the angle AOB as 2 by 3 pi and angle APB as 5 by 6 pi. Find the perimeter of the cross section RASB. Give your answer correct to decimal places. So we have two parts. The perimeter, the formula is what? The formula is r theta. Okay, r theta, but theta is the central angle, right? R theta. So here I can say that the perimeter is, I will say that the perimeter P. Now P, perimeter P is equals to radius 2 point, now upper radius we will say 2.5 into angle. What angle I will take? Will I take this 2 by 3 pi? Absolutely not. I will look for this particular angle, which is 2 pi minus 2 pi by 3. 2 pi minus, here I will say that it's 2 pi minus 2 pi by 3. Isn't it? 2 pi by 3, right? And for the other part, it is 2.24 plus it is 2.24 into, here the angle is 5 pi by 6. It is 5 pi divided by 6. Okay, so this is 3 to the 6, 6 minus 2 is 4. So it is 4 pi divided by 3 times 2.5 plus pi 5 pi divided by 6 times 2.24. So if we add then what we will get? It is 4 divided by 3 times 2.5 plus 5 times 2.24 divided by 6. The result is 26 divided by 5. So result is 26 divided by 5 times 5. Now the question is, I have to write answer in two decimal places. So to shift 5, whatever answer we are getting, we will convert them in decimal form and we will get 16.34. 16.34. Now unit is given, it is given meter. So your perimeter is 16.34 meter. Then 16.34 meter. Okay. Now we will look the second part of the problem. Second part of the problem is find the difference in area of the two triangles AOB and APB, giving your answer corrected to two decimal places. Difference in area of the two triangles AOB and APB. Now area, the formula for area is what? The formula for area of triangle is half into r square sin theta. So half into r1, r is 2.5 square into sine of 2 pi by 3. For the other triangle, it is half into 2.24 square into sine 5 pi by 6. Okay, let us check once again with that. We have done right. So OAB, for OAB it is 2.5 into 2.5 into 2.5 square into sine 2 pi by 3 and 2 minus 2.24 into half into 2.24 square into sine 5 pi by 6. I think yes, this is what we have written. Right. So this is equals to So first change your mode to radian and then calculate it. 2.5 square divided by 2 into sine. Sine is 2 times pi divided by 3 minus 2.24 square divided by 2 times sine 5 pi by 6, sine 5 into pi, or I will say that sine 5 pi by 6. Okay, and this is equal to 1.45 1.45 up to 2 decimal places. So 1.45 will be the result. 1.45. What will be the unit? The unit will be meter square, right? We are talking about area. Now find the area of the cross section. RASP. Give your answer correctly. 2 decimal places. I have to find the area. Okay, let us look at the diagram once again. So for the total area, what we should do? You can see that you can add this part, this whole area. You can add with this part. Okay, and then this central part, which is the difference. Right now we have find this difference, we will add this difference as well. Okay, so therefore we will get the total area. So here we have to find the area of the cross section. So area will be, here the formula for area is what? Here the formula for area is half half r square theta, isn't it? Recall the formula for area. What is the formula for area? Is half r square theta. That will give you area of the sector. So area of cross section. So simply I will say that area of cross section or I will say required area. What I will say? That area, better I will say that area of the cross section RASB will be equal to half into 2.5 square into 2 pi by 3 plus half into 2.24 square into 5 pi by 6 plus the area which we get here difference as 1.45 plus 1.45. Okay, so this will be equal to now half into 2.5 square into 2 pi, sorry, 0.5 into 2.5 square into 2 pi by 3. Okay, so here the area will be 25 divided by 12 pi plus the second part is 2.24 square divided by 2 into 5 divided by 6 pi is 764. Oh, a big value, 7 64 divided by 375 pi, and then plus 1.45. Okay, so this is equals to 25 divided by 12 plus 764 divided by 375, whatever result I get, multiplied by pi, and plus 1.45. So the overall area we get is 14.395, which is 14.4. So 14.4 meter square will be your final answer. Let me see if I have made some mistake. I think in calculation. Better I will convert in decimal. Just a minute. Here the final answer, what I am writing is maybe incorrect. 25 divided by 12 times pi is 6.54. One mistake, big mistake I have done. Here, this particular part, the angle which 2 pi by 3 I am taking is not correct. So, we have to erase this particular part. We made mistake over here only. It should be 2 pi minus 2 pi by 3. So 4 pi by 3. It should be 4 pi by 3. Okay, 4 pi by 3. So it's 0.5 into 2.5 square into 4 into pi divided by 3. So area 13.09. 13.09. What we are getting? We are getting 13.09 plus this is 0.5 into 2.24 square into 5 into pi divided by 6. Now what I am getting? 6.57. That's 6.57. And finally, third area is 1.45. So 6.57 plus 1.45 plus 13.09. The total area is 21.1. 21.10. So 21.10. This must be your area. Okay, so then any other question? No. Okay, so these are the three parts of the question. Question is related with circular measure, right? Okay, thank you.